Nose. Okay, face to front.
Okay, alright.
So as soon as you see him start their taunt, hit the taunt.
Exactly. Make sure it's the person in front of you though, not like a gap.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the signal
Okay.
here, the cue.
Go ahead.
Are you in a good
More
position?
3.
Oh shit.
What the hell?
That was greatness.
Early.
That was
Almost.
pure unadulterated greatness.
It's still a good load.
Wow, what the hell?
Yes.
So that was pretty butt sex.
Yeah. You gotta wait until the person in front of you starts to taunt.
Are we doing another one?
That's gonna hurt.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay.
Screw them all.
Well, we... Okay.
Okay, face forward.
Ready? Come on, face
Yeah.
front. Alright.
Start it.
You'll have to send me a message, bro, because I want to stay here.
Somebody went early.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Perfect.
No,
That was
perfect
bitchin'.
to me.
That was perfect.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, somebody... I don't know.
Zod, you didn't get
got
the
bonked
invite?
before I can block the guy in front of me.
Either way, that was pretty good.
Zod, do you have
It
Steam?
looked good from where I was